Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I am going to check the sound. Good morning. The sound seems good. Now on to tagging. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Cindy and Yanni. We're still together. Nice. Hope your forgiveness practice went well today, or rather discussion. I will watch it a little bit later. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Mary. All right, it is time for us to start. Yesterday, we started talking about social injustice and our reaction to it, the natural outrage that happens in us, and how we can transform this anger that is needed to take action in the face of social injustice, how we can transform it into healing so that we don't get overcome by it and it doesn't become chronic anger for us. Today, let's continue this discussion of moving from anger to love in the face of social injustice, moving from anger to healing. I want to read a chapter from Sharon Salzberg's book, Real Love. The chapter is titled Lean In with Love, and then we will do a loving kindness practice together as usual. This is what she writes. Brothers Ali and Atman Smith and their partner Andy Gonzalez, the founders of Baltimore Holistic Life Foundation, jokingly refer to themselves as love zombies. In the wake of the riots following the death of Freddie Gray in Baltimore in 2015, the Holistic Life team organized a citywide event they called Be More Love. There was so much friction and anger. The only way we saw to counter that anger vibe was with a loving vibe, explains Atman. So we brought people from diverse backgrounds together in the area where the uprising happened. We had people from more affluent communities who had never been to West Baltimore. They were seeing some of the things they had only previously seen on TV. And also people from our community came, including the kids in our program. We led a group loving kindness meditation, and people sent love to themselves, to Freddie Gray's family, to victims of police brutality, and victims of violence everywhere. We wanted to get past the anger and move toward the healing, adds Ali. The anger did bring a lot of problems to light, but love was the cohesive force. Ali acknowledges anger can be the spark for the fire, but then you have to create a controlled burn. Instead of a forest fire that will bring down the whole forest, you have to imagine a controlled fire burning up only the invasive species and weeds, and let everything else flourish. It's the same with anger. You need to say, okay, I'm angry, and then adjust your focus to come from a place of love, empathy, and compassion. There will always be people and situations that ignite an outrage for us, and for a good reason. Yet, when we stop resisting our anger and relate to it with awareness, we free ourselves from anger's stranglehold. By allowing ourselves simply to feel what we feel, we release the expectation that painful states of mind, such as anger, will consume us. They can arise, and we can let them go, like the tides of the ocean or the waxing and waning of the moon. It's a practice of not holding on, of choosing not to identify with the feeling. In this way, the energy we have to try to make a difference becomes cleaner and stronger. So let's do a full loving kindness practice together now, including all these people whose actions ignite a legit outrage in our system. stretching our minds and hearts beyond our habitual reactive matrix to find our full capacity for real love. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allowing your natural breath to flow, just noticing how your body responds to your natural breathing. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breath, so that all the experiences of the present moment, all the physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And start by sending loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. If you feel that you need to stay with this step, sending loving kindness to yourself, it's totally fine. Do that. Or if you're ready to expand your energy to include other people, bring to mind somebody you love dearly, a friend or a family member, somebody who it will be easy for you to send loving kindness to. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a benefactor, somebody who is a positive influence in your life, and start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a neutral person, somebody you may be seeing every day but perhaps don't even know their names. Basically, somebody who doesn't influence your life in any way, and you have neutral feelings toward that person. Start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now think of a challenging person in your life, or even an enemy. See if you can extend loving kindness to them. As you do it, Notice what comes up for you in your body, in your heart, in your mind, and just accept everything as it is. Remember, you don't need to worry about manufacturing this feeling of loving kindness toward that person. Simply recite the phrases and see what happens. Remind yourself that your intention matters. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. And finally, include all living beings in your loving kindness, all the humans and all the non-humans. And remember, not just the ones that appeal to you, even the cockroaches. May all living beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well in body and mind. May all beings feel safe, protected, at ease. May all beings know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue this reflection. Do you think it's possible or even useful to start transmuting your outrage in the face of social injustice into the power of love? Enjoy your contemplations and discoveries. Tomorrow is Thursday and Lorna's breathing practice, which I encourage all of you to join. And I will see you on Friday. Have a beautiful day.